Hello everyone, welcome back to BrewRatio. Today I'll be doing a demo on the Bellezza Bellona, sharing with you one of the key features that the machine offers. The dual boiler heats up extremely fast. In just under 4 minutes, both the brew and the steam boiler will be ready for action. On today's demo, I will be powering up the machine from cold start, at the same time, keeping track on the time taken for the machine to get up to temperature. So, let's get started. As you can see, the machine is now at room temperature, and we have our timer keeping track of the time taken. While waiting for the machine to heat up, let me share a bit about the Bellezza Bellona. This machine is designed for both home user and small cafe. It has a 500 ml brew boiler and a 1 liter steam boiler, ensuring that you can brew and steam at the same time. Traditional boiler at this size can take up to 10 to 20 minutes just to get to temperature, which may not be practical for home users who just want to make 1 cup or 2 cups of coffee at home. On the other hand, we have another class which is the appliances-based home espresso machines, which is typically using thermal blocks. Thermal blocks machines typically heat up very fast in less than a minute. However, thermal blocks machines are actually instant water heater, meaning to say the brew temperature actually fluctuates a lot based on the flow of the water. Boiler machines like the Bellezza Bellona come equipped with a PID controller, preheat the water to the controlled temperature, giving you the exact brew temperature that you have pre-cooked and is not affected by the flow of the water. Okay, let's take a quick check at the temperature right now. We are at 63 degrees and the time right now is around 1 minute and 45 seconds. Let me check on the steam boiler as well. The steam boiler right now is at 40 degrees. So naturally, we should not be expecting any steam at this point of time. So, the most commonly asked question is, why the Bellezza Bellona is able to heat up so much faster in just under 4 minutes? And the answer to the question is, the machine is equipped with 2 stainless steel boilers. As compared to traditional espresso machines that typically come with brass or copper boiler, stainless steel boilers are much more superior, they heat up much faster, and they provide excellent thermal stability once you get up to heat. There are other more advantages of using stainless steel boilers. For example, they are highly resistant to corrosion and rust, which means your machine will have a longer lifespan and require less maintenance. Most importantly, stainless steel boiler does not impart any metallic taste to the water. This means your coffee flavor will remain pure and unaltered, allowing you to enjoy the true flavor of your coffee bean. In addition, the Bellezza Bellona features a programmable pre-infusion function and a shot timer. This ensures that your espresso shots are accurately pre-infused and extracted to your preset timing every single time. Programmable shots is great because it produces consistent results as long as your dialed-in variables remain consistent, making your shots more predictable. Okay, let's do a quick check on temperature right now. So we are at around 3 minutes 30 seconds, and you can see my brew temperature has reached 94, which is what I preset earlier on. And looking at my steam boiler, it's at full temperature of 130 degrees. So let's check out the steam. And the brew. And there you have it. In under just 4 minutes, the Bellezza Bellona is heated up and ready to brew. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient home espresso machine, Bellezza Bellona is definitely the one to consider. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the demo so far. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coffee tips and review. And if you are interested in getting the Bellezza Bellona, do check out our links below to get yours from BrewRatio Singapore.